Hi, I'm Wade Walcott with your Cincinnati Parks. Over the next several months, we're going to show you how we care. We're also going to share stories about what makes us great and what makes us work. From our committed volunteers, wonderful residents, our dedicated employees, and multiple entertainment events and programs, it's all done for you. We're everywhere and we're for everyone.
At Cincinnati Parks, being a laborer, we do a lot of things. Being on the trail crew, we come out, service the trails, we do steps, we do bridges, we do the infrastructure. I love working for Cincinnati Parks. I love the people I encounter, I love my employees, I definitely love the job that we're doing. A lot of people don't see the trails unless you walk them. Keeping them safe is important to us.
Remember, there's always something waiting for you at a Cincinnati park. So walk with me as we show you how we build better lives and better communities. Come join us.